everyone and welcome to Swati Craft Corner. For today's video, I will be showing a tutorial on how to make a hand mirror, and for this I will be using Pink Bell collection pack. I'm using the papers and the element sheet to make this project today. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for notification. Before we start with the video, let me quickly show you the paper collection. So this is called Pink Bell collection pack. In this pack you have 6 by 6 papers and 12 by 12 papers. There are totally 12 designs and we have two sheets of each design, and there is a A4 size element page that comes along with this collection kit. There are so many elements that can be used for various projects, and this paper pack is absolutely gorgeous and works best for any girl theme projects. To make the mirror, first I will be making a template. For that I am using oval dies here and I'm just tracing them out. This is a normal printer paper that I'm using, and then using my ruler I will just roughly draw a few lines, and this will work as my handle. Once I'm happy with it, I will just cut this template and I will trace it in heavy base cardstock. I did about 4 or 5 traces, and then I cut them out and I kept them aside. So this is the pattern paper that I will be using today, and I'm just tracing the mirror template and I'm just cutting it out. And for the center part I'm using the same oval die that I used to trace for my template, and I will just die cut it and remove the center part alone. So here are all the templates that I have cut and kept them ready. So now it's time to stack them up. So I will be using liquid glue and I will be adding all these pieces together so I have a really thick base. Adding the pattern paper, I will be using pink chalk paint and I will just paint the entire base. And for the frame I used gold cardstock and die cut a floral design, and for the mirror portion I used silver cardstock, and whatever remaining oval pieces that I had from these templates that I cut before, I'll just stack a couple of them on the back of the die cut to just give a little bit of dimension. I have added the gold floral frame and the mirror uh, die cut, and now it's time to add some embellishments. For that I will be using all the floral elements from the element sheet that comes along with this collection pack. I just fussy cut them and get them ready, and I also used some small flowers here, and all these flowers are handmade and I used the pattern paper to make these flowers. pattern papers to make handmade flowers is a really amazing way to get more from the paper packs that we use. And of late, I have started doing this in quite a few projects of mine. So here I am done with embellishing my entire mirror, and I've also added some deco stones because these deco stones give a little more depth to the project. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and I will see you guys again with another uh, tutorial. Until then, take care. Bye bye.